Hello guys, in this video, we are going to cook milkfish with soy sauce, which is a Chinese style recipe. We are going to need one whole milkfish that was cut into 9 pieces. The complete ingredients are listed on the description down below. Now, let us start cooking. First, we are going to saute the garlic. And then the ginger and onion. Now, let us add the fish. Add soy sauce. Add vinegar. And add 1 cup of water. We need to level the fish on the water. Add sugar. Add ground black pepper. Let us flip the fish. And we are going to boil this for 5 minutes. Then, we need to flip them again and boil for another 3 minutes. After that, let us add cornstarch with water. This is to make the sauce thicker. Then flip the fish again and boil for another 1 minute. It is now cooked and ready to be served. This is best paired with steamed rice. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have other way of cooking this fish.